everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you what difference does mascara makes to your makeup, and I'm going to show you what difference does it actually makes when you apply single coat of mascara and then you layer it up, like when you apply double coat of mascara. So here I'm going to use two different mascaras. You can use one mascara but double coat of that mascara. I think it is confusing, so let me stop my chatter putter and let's quickly jump into the video. Alright guys, so first you can see that my whole makeup is done, just my eyes are left, and it is not like you have to use two different types of mascara. If you have one mascara, you can use only that. The idea behind this video is just to show you the difference, what it makes when you apply one layer of mascara and then you apply a second coat of mascara. But if you have two mascaras, then you must go in with two mascaras, because every mascara has its own quality, I'll say. Like some are lengthening mascara, some are voluminous, some are like both lengthen and volume, they provide both. Some are like eye opening, some are curling mascara. So you must go in with two mascaras if you have, but if you have single mascara, then just go in with the double coat.
Alright, so this is like very close.
First, I'm gonna use this tool right here, which I really use. Like I used it only one time. Like the moment I purchased this, that was the only time I used it. Like I forgot to use it, or I don't know. So first I'm just gonna curl up my lashes, and if you do not have this tool, you can skip on this step, because there are curling mascaras available in market, so you don't necessarily need to use it. Okay, so it definitely makes difference. Like I must start using this. So when you are done curling up your lashes, just start coating your mascara. I think it is enough, and yes, this made a huge difference. I can see that. I hope the camera is capturing the difference. So let me quickly coat it with the mascara. So I'm gonna use this mascara from Wet n Wild. It is a lengthening and voluminous mascara. Like it gives both. So when you use your mascara, make sure there is no excess product, for which you have to do it like this way. The way to do your mascara is you have to hold your mascara here and start working from the roots of your lashes and take it all the way up in wiggling motions. Wiggling is like zig 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 zig. And for the inner and the outer part, hold your mascara vertically, and from the above, just do it like this. Or if you feel difficulty in doing that, then you can do it like this way also. When you are going in with the second coat, you can use the same mascara as well. Like just go in again and start working on your lashes. You do not have to wait for a minute, because this will make your coat of first mascara stick onto those lashes, and when you wait for the mascara to dry up and then apply second coat, they stick to each other. And for the second mascara, I'm gonna use my favorite mascara from Maybelline. It is their Lash Sensational Mascara, and it is an awesome mascara. I love the wand, and the reason why I love this mascara is it helps to separate the lashes, like you can see. Alright guys, so now you can clearly see like this side of my face, it is looking like complete, like my makeup is complete, and this side is looking like very freaky types, like very tired kind of look. So this is what a mascara makes a difference to your makeup. And now talking about the main objective of this video, like you can see my lashes are looking so voluminous and they are like so lengthened that it look like that I've applied some fake lashes, like very lightweight fake lashes. So yes, I'm truly loving the idea of applying two mascaras. Now I'm gonna show you this side where I apply one coat of mascara, so you can see what difference does it makes. I'm gonna curl up my lashes, and you can see they are looking like this, like curled, and my eyes are looking awakened, and they are looking like they are looking big. So I'm gonna curl this side of my lash too. And now I'm gonna go in with this mascara, because I used this first. Alright, so this is when I've used only one mascara, or you can say only one coat of mascara, and I'm gonna wait for at least 20 seconds to see the difference. Like, I can see them curled, but I have to wait for 30 seconds to see whether they stay like this, like curled, or do they flatten. Alright guys, so it's been 30 seconds and I can see my this side of lash falling down, and this is like still curled. You can see the difference. I like my lashes to be curled because this will make your eyes look open and wide. So yes, and you can see this is looking like much voluminous as compared to this side. And now when I'm gonna layer it one more time, this will look like this. So even though you are at some party or some wedding kind of function, whatever, you layer two kind of mascaras or two layers of mascaras, you won't feel the need of applying falsies. Yes, so now you can see first it was looking like flat and now it is like all curled up. So I hope you guys understand now. Alright guys, so that's it with this video, and I really hope you guys found this video helpful and you enjoyed it. So if you have any other recommendation, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.